LionNord semi-automatic 0 to 45-degree angle cutting bandsaw machine is a type of power tool used for cutting various material, such as steel, stainless steel, alloy, pipe, bar, beam and so on. It is designed to have the ability to cut at different angles between 0 and 45 degrees, allowing for more versatile and precise cutting operations. This machine max cutting 500-350 mm in 0 degree, and 350-350 mm in 45 degree. 4 kW powerful motors. To use the machine, the operator positions the material to be cut on the cutting table and adjusts the angle of the cutting head to the desired angle between 0 and 45 degrees. Once set, the operator activates the motor. Machine will be worked by auto.